Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the system direct issue in Google Chrome. Step by step, start by opening Google Chrome. Look at the top right corner and click on the three tops menu. From the menu, move your mouse to Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. This will open a new tab showing all installed extensions. Carefully look through the list. If you see any extension that you do not remember installing or that looks suspicious, this could be the problem. Extensions related to search tools, coupons, download helpers, or unknown names are often unsafe. To remove an extension, click the Remove button under it. Confirm the removal when Chrome asks. Do this for every extension that looks harmful or unnecessary. If you are unsure about an extension, it is safer to remove it. You can always install it again later. Once all suspicious extensions are removed, close the Extensions tab. Now we will reset Chrome to Settings. Again, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. On the left side, scroll down and click Reset Settings. A small window will appear. Click Reset Settings to confirm. New tab page, search engine, and pin tabs, but it will not delete bookmarks or save passwords. After it's finished, close Google Chrome completely, open it again, and test your browser. The system's direct issue should now be gone. If the problem still appears, restart your computer and check once more. Thanks for watching.